The NFL's big day is Sunday, but some health officials are concerned that Super Bowl gatherings could turn into super spreader events. Eyewitness News reporter Carlos Granda is live now with that story. Carlos?
Well, that's right. On Super Bowl Sunday, a lot of people like to go out to restaurants or bars and watch the game with others. But that's not going to happen like that this year. Los Angeles County has ordered that TVs be turned off in restaurants, and they hope that that will prevent large groups of people from gathering to watch the game. But rules or not, some will likely gather in people's homes.
Gatherings in other people's households and gatherings in restaurants to watch the Super Bowl are not a good thing to do.
It's been a controversial issue since restaurants were closed for sit-down outdoor dining back in December. Infectious disease experts say people at restaurants and other businesses, if they take off their masks, can lead to more infections. Dr. Suman Radhakrishna says there was a case of a choir practice where one person was symptomatic and 32 people got infected.
When you speak loudly, when you sing, you end up aerosolizing much farther than 6 feet.
Restaurants argue they have proper protocols in place to keep people safe. They went to court to ask LA County for any data to justify the closures. Eyewitness News used data from the LA County Department of Health, and as of February 4th, just 3% of current outbreaks at non-residential settings were at restaurants. I asked about that to Dr. Paul Simon from the Los Angeles County Health Department.
It is true that we've not identified as many outbreaks that have been linked to a restaurant, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they don't exist. It's just harder to document. It's much easier to document an outbreak in a workplace setting because that's where people are on a regular basis.
Now Ventura County is recommending restaurants turn off TVs, but not banning them. Orange, San Bernardino, and Riverside counties have no restrictions. Despite warnings, experts expect some fans will gather in private homes and mix with others not in their households. Dr. Radhakrishna says they must be cautious.
Then try to stay outdoors if you can to watch the game. Stay 6 feet, more than 6 feet away, because the 6 feet was only for people who are talking in regular voice, not shouting and singing or screaming.
And at today's news briefing, the Los Angeles County Health Department announced it has received 184,000 new doses of the vaccine, but officials say the majority of those vaccines next week will be second doses for those who received the first dose several weeks ago. That right now is the priority. Reporting live, I'm Carlos Granda, ABC-7 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Carlos.